क्लास 6 आज हम रिवाइज करेंगे लेसन 2 और अब हम प्रिपेयर करेंगे लेसन 2 सिविक्स, लेसन 7 और 8 जियोग्राफी का 19 डेट को जो आपका टेस्ट है उसके लिए हम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं इनको और रिवाइज करेंगे इसे। और आज कर रहे हैं लेसन 2 क्लास 6। मैं आपको कुछ मेन लाइंस को रीड करवा रही हूँ। In accordance with the Constitution of India, there are broadly 3 types of local governing bodies in urban areas: Nagar Panchayat, municipality and municipal corporation. These bodies operate their respective areas and discharge the same function with Panchayati Raj institution perform in rural areas. उसके बाद फर्दर रीडिंग आप करेंगे। फिर है म्यूनिसिपलिटीज आर कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड इन स्मॉलर अर्बन एरियाज विद द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ 20,000 और मोर। दे आर आल्सो नोन एज म्यूनिसिपल काउंसिल। Composition of municipalities are constituted for a term of 5 years. The following are the members of a municipality. Members elected by the people, including representative of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, other backward classes and women. Function of the municipalities. The major function of municipalities are providing basic amenities of life to the people and their areas, such as health care services, schools, electricity and water supply, proper sanitation system, parks and playgrounds. Do you know the term municipality is also used to refer to urban local self-governing bodies collectively. Metropolitan cities are large urban areas. They have a large population and numerous opportunities for the employment along with scores of complex problems. The 4 major metropolitan cities of India are Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. A brief चेन्नई तक। उसके बाद एक कोलकाता is the capital of West Bengal. Next page, Delhi is one of the union territories of India. Mumbai is the biggest metropolis of India. अब है चेन्नई इज द कैपिटल ऑफ तमिलनाडु। फिर पढ़ेंगे आप डू यू नो म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन आर कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड एज द अपेक्स यूनिट ऑफ द अर्बन लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट्स। Composition of municipal corporation are constituted for a period of 5 years. The following are the member of a municipal corporation: members who are directly elected by the people and are known as councillors, including the representative of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, other backward classes or women. Municipal commissioner as appointed by the state government. The mayor is the political head of the municipal corporation. She या he presides over the meeting of the corporation and looks after the welfare work of the corporation. Municipal commissioner is the chief executive officer of the corporation and examines the functioning of the corporation. फिर है function of the म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन। इसे आप सभी को सारे फंक्शन जो है आपने अच्छे से रीड करने हैं। उसके बाद है सोर्स ऑफ इनकम ऑफ म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन। इसे भी आपने अच्छे से रीड करना है। रोल ऑफ सिटीजन्स को भी आपने मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से आपने इसको अच्छे से रीड करना है। क्लास रिवाइज एंड प्रिपेयर लेसन 2।